Hello everyone and welcome to KassDays. In this video we have some footage from the Calgary PetFest. We will see snakes, turtles, a porcupine like we just seen here, and some other animals, but we will also show you some dogs at work, ranging from herding sheep, obstacle courses to a police dog in action. So let's check this out.
Right here, that is from her. Not intentional though. She did not mean to get me. I was being dumb.
I'm checking out a snake a little bit closer up. I'm not really a snake or even a reptile person, but nevertheless wanted to have a little bit of closer up look.
This is Opal.
Now that's a cutie.
Opal is the sweetest girl ever.
A little kangaroo.
What's her name? Opal.
Fully blend. Yeah. So yeah, the biggest differences between tortoises and turtles is turtles can swim, tortoises sink.
Somebody is gonna call for mom, and I guess seeing this big spider, there's some other of us that may call for mom as well, seeing that one. But anyways, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Much appreciated. This dog looks a little bit bored, but just want to mention real quick as well, you can also find us on Patreon and the KassDays. We have a free subscription, and if you find our content there of value, we also have some paid subscription where you can support us. And again, that would be much appreciated. But in the meantime, we made it over to the area with the sheep herding presentations and the Border Collies. Looks like the dog is keeping a very close eye on the sheep, and sheep do this same in return. It looks the dog takes this job pretty serious, quite dedicated to it. Time to move on to another exhibition hall, and here we came across this little cutie begging for food, as you can see, and also giving high fives in the hopes of getting another treat.
Ready? Right. Nice. He is a poodle chihuahua, but we want to be able to make sure that when we work on a client's dog, it's well done. So our dogs end up being practice pups for lots of things. So if I want...
Somebody had the creativity and created some dog faces out of old cooking ware, muffin cups, baking pans and so forth.
Together they form an impressive dog showcasing the remarkable training and abilities of the RCMP and their police pups. Please welcome Opal and Pascal.
Pascal with me, he's a 2-year-old German Shepherd. We just finished training. This is my 5th police dog, and probably my last. Been in the unit now for almost 19 years. And we're just brushing the suit, and if you guys have any questions afterwards, feel free to come up and we'll answer whatever you can ask. Give him hand directions.
And we are over at the another working dog presentation, I should say, and it's the RCMP that dropped by, and they have a dog with them and give a short little presentation.
One of them is finger down. Well, Pascal and I went through training last fall. We trained almost 5 months. We just completed in December, where we trained both the Ninsdale as well as the Opal Valley during the
This certainly requires teamwork and also a very well trained dog that listens to all the commands and actually does what it's asked to do or does not do what it's not supposed to do.
So despite the agitation being caused by, say, a potential person we're about to apprehend, the dog must stay in its position no matter what until it's directed to be released.
Apparently the fellow on the other end you see down there is his co-worker. Not sure how he ended up with that end of the bargain, and why would I say that? Well, keep watching and you'll find out in a minute. Oops, the dog moved when it wasn't supposed to move, so let's get this started all over.
So one of the things we work with is to keep Rex out of his position. He gets no reward, he gets no pay. We start all over again until at such time he knows what he's supposed to do. So. So one of the things there is engaged with the encourager Corey there. And this is my co-worker, my Porcupine cells. And there's two of us here in the city that cover all the Calgary region of southern Alberta. We'll also help out over the areas right up to the Montana border, southeast Kootenays, and all the way up to over here. So he's been around as much as I have been in service. So, and as you can see, we like to have fun. Just having fun, training their dogs. Dogs love to do this. They love to engage with people and environments and equipment. So.
With this presentation coming to an end, we are going to get ready here and watch the obstacle course. I guess it's called Obedience. I'm not 100% sure actually what it is called. Actually, it's called Agility, I think, not Obedience, Agility. And most of these dogs have great energy to go through this course. Sometimes they miss something, but I certainly have to give them all an A for effort. Some of them get a little bit too excited, as you can see here. There we go, around the barrel we go, and down the lane again. But anyways, let's check into this for a little bit. As I mentioned before, you can see these dogs put in great effort, and whether small or a bit bigger. The only thing changes is the height of the obstacles sometimes a little bit, but they're all very happy and enthusiastic about this and put in great effort. Some are quicker than others. As we slowly near the end of this video, I would like to extend my thanks for staying tuned to our channel, watching our videos, and if you're familiar with our channel, you know we offer a wide variety of topics, whether that's a PetFest here, a horse jumping event, making some buns, or to travel up into Alaska, Yellowstone, so we have a lot of travel videos as well. In any case, as a quick other reminder, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It's all free, but it greatly helps our channel. And we are looking forward to have you with us again in the next one. Until then, stay safe and ciao for now.